Getting ready for an online digital art class. This tutorial will show you how to connect your devices like laptop, drawing tablet, Galaxy tablet or iPad. The teacher will give you a link to your Zoom meeting. Now that your computer or laptop is connected to Zoom, let's go to your other device such as your iPad or Galaxy tablet. In your iPad or Galaxy tablet, log in to Zoom, using the same link given by the teacher. You have successfully connected both of your devices to Zoom. Your computer or laptop will be used as a webcam for your Zoom online class. And your iPad or Galaxy tab will be used for drawing together with your teacher. You can now start listening to your teacher while drawing together. If you have a drawing tablet like XP Pen, Wacom, Huion or Boston Drawing Tablet, connect it directly to your computer or laptop. Now, connect to Zoom using the link given by the teacher. You can now start your Zoom class and draw together. If your drawing tablet has a built-in screen, connect it to your computer or laptop. The screen of your computer or laptop will be used for Zoom class, while the second screen in your drawing tablet will be used for drawing. This tutorial has been presented by ABC Art Education Development Center, the pioneer of online digital art class.